Okay, YouTube. This one's been upsetting me. So I got a '05 Chevy Impala doing an aftermarket double din install. And everybody's got questions on here about how after you get everything wired up all nice and pretty and you have no sound out of the factory speakers. So I did a bunch of research and everything hooked up right here. These models have a factory amp located in the trunk. Pop the trunk for me, guy. So, see, I got the amp and the sub hooked up. There's that factory amp, which powers the sound for the speakers. So, what you need to do to get that guy to turn on is what I did is I did a jumper wire from the remote wire that runs to the amp up to the white wire going into the factory amp. That's the remote wire. Turn on wire for the amp is the white wire. So I just jumped it off of the remote wire, the blue wire that I pulled in to tell this amp to turn on up to that one. And now we got sound out of the speakers. Hope that helps.